Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to unsave all messages on Snapchat app. Now, as you know, if you go, for example, if I go here to a chat, a certain chat, as you can see, I send these fire emojis to this person. So what I can do is I can actually click on those, click and hold, and then I can unsave in chat, right? I can click unsave in chat, and that will be also presented to the person that I'm chatting with, or I can hold and I can save in chat, right? Now you can't actually unsave all messages on Snapchat app currently. So if I go, for example, if I go to the chat here with me, I can type in something, right? I can send it, and then I can, hold, save it, and then if I want, I can again hold and unsave it, right? So I need to unsave each message that I save on Snapchat app. I can't actually go and I can actually unsave all the messages. So this is basically the only way currently how to unsave all messages on Snapchat app in 2022. Now, if you have any comments or questions regarding this, comment down below and I'll get back to you. But yeah, this is about it. Thank you guys for watching.